Happy New Year's, everybody. All right, guys. Hey, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to work on the Rancher. It's really windy, so I'm not going to use very much audio. But anyhow, I wanted to do a quick introduction. The tire is locked up for whatever reason. Ever since we got back from my property, it's not spinning at all. I mean, I could do a wheelie and slam down on it and it won't do nothing. So anyhow, I'm gonna get working on this. There's not gonna be very much talking. Like I said, it's super windy today. And anyhow, awesome. Enjoy. All right, guys, so we're gonna do this the most OSHA approved way as possible because I don't have the right tools. Never do. Don't really care. I've got to come along a big tree branch, which I'm not even straight on, but I'm going to drag the four-wheeler over there because, like I said, it's really hard to move with one tire acting like it's nothing because it doesn't move. And I've got a ratchet strap to wrap around to hook the come along to. So, all right, here we go. I don't know what happened, but that thing is just solid. As you guys may or may not be able to see, I have been in here before. Wow. That should not be that tight. Don't know why that's that tight. It was not installed that tight for sure. I don't know if I have a socket to fit this. I guess I'll be back. Alright, well, didn't have a socket. It's a 1 1/16, so I'm not sure how this is even this tight. I can't see any threads to see if it's reverse thread, so we're just gonna pound and pray. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, little shock, we got it. freeing up. It must be brake pads. You notice I don't use a screwdriver that I can hurt on this because I don't want to put much pressure. This is just aluminum. I don't want to break it. This is like cast aluminum. So I'm just trying to figure out where to get to. I did bleed these brakes to try to get it to release, and it didn't work. So I think it's because the plug is gone, and maybe this thing stopped with it up, and it got, because my wife got stuck in it, got it all full of water. I don't know. I need to find some of these stupid little plugs. Any of you Honda guys out there, if you know where I can get this stupid little plug at without spending $20 on it, I'd sure like to get one for a couple bucks anyway. But this thing's freeing right up. Maybe I just need to put it back together and take it for a rip. I think it just got rusted together, guys. So I've looked at it before and I couldn't even find the disc brake conversion for this because it's only two-wheel drive. The bike runs great. I mean, if I could find the plastic pieces and stuff like that for it at a reasonable price, even if it wasn't a reasonable price, I mean, if I could put plastics on it for like $300 or $400, aftermarket's fine, I would do it. But I haven't been able to find anything, so I'm not sure what the problem is. But I mean, this thing runs great. It's, you know, it's just set outside its whole life, which it's not going to be any different here because all I have, I mean, I do keep it in the canopy and all that stuff, but yeah, it's all mostly outside anyway. Everything I own right now, I keep the 700 and the go-kart mostly in there. So this one sits outside because there's no room after those two big machines are in there. Okay, so there's a slack adjuster at the top as well, and the top one I have all the way loose. There we go. Oh yeah, look at this. Some sort of something made a nest in there. Bearings feel great, there's no play in them. I seriously think this stuff just got all jammed up. Do a little quick clean out and put it back together. Alright guys, I have to rub it in a little bit. So it's actually pretty cold for Florida right now. I still don't have to wear a jacket. Sorry guys, I know a lot of you live up north, but it's not really all that cold here. I'll check real quick. Yeah, it's 61 degrees. Merry Christmas. All right, nothing like keeping the trend going. I have no brake cleaner, but I got several cans of carburetor cleaner. So here we go. It's close enough. I think one of these cylinders is weak. Looks like it's going to be a brake cylinder problem, guys. See, it's not returning. The spring should help that, though. All right, well, it's getting a little too dark for this right now, so I'm just gonna pick up and we're gonna revisit this maybe tomorrow. All right, so as you can tell, this is a different day. The bike is down and back together. I'm not gonna go any further on this right now. I want to find a conversion kit, because these brakes keep on sticking. I hate the drum brakes in the front. They're not very powerful. They don't work very well, and they're pretty expensive to replace. So I think what I'm gonna do is just spend the money one time. I know it's kind of an old bike, but who wants to see a disc brake conversion? Give me a comment. They do sell a kit. It's not easy to find. So I'm going to try to get rid of these drum brakes and switch over. So anyhow, well, listen, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and tune in for the next one. See ya.